Hello students, in this video I am going to explain the remaining problems in the exercise 11.4 trigonometry 10th video exercise 11.4. Next problem, show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. What is LHS here? What is LHS here? Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. RHS is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. And I am going to simplify the problem. That is first step. Cosecant theta minus problem I taken here. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. First, cosecant theta is what? Reciprocal of sine. That is 1 by sine theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. So here I am converting the trigonometric ratios into the sine and cos functions. Denominator is same. Then you should subtract the numerators. Then 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. If you split the square root of the numerator and denominator, this is in the form of a by b whole power m, that equal to a power m by b power m. That is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, that is 1 minus cos theta whole square and sin theta whole square. This is 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Sin theta whole square is sin square theta. Here numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, if you split into the factorization form, don't expand that. Split into the, this is important step. If you expand it, you may not get the RHS. If you want to get the RHS, then you should factorize the term. That is a minus b whole square equal to a minus b into a minus b. What is our target? RHS should be in terms of cos. Cos function should be there and remaining terms you should eliminate. Now, denominator sin square theta is there. What is sin square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is the formula. Already you know that. And from this formula, what is sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. Substitute 1 minus cos square theta in place of sin square theta. That is numerator a minus b whole square equal to a minus b into a minus b, that is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, a minus b into a minus b by sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. If you are observing here, if you imagine that it is 1 square minus cos square theta, that is a square minus b square form it is. A square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. That is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. The denominator converted into 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Numerator is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta and denominator is a plus b into a minus b form. That is a plus b into a minus b, the 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta gets cancelled. What is the remaining terms? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this is the required one. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is also 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. It's the important problem. Here, what type of conversions you need to do to get the solution easily, and then simplify the problem. Okay, students, next problem. Show that square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a, important problem, equal to secant a plus tan a. Here LHS square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a and RHS is secant a plus tan a. Solution. Problem I taken here, square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Here I am multiplying the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sin a. Actually, this is the rationalizing factor. Don't have the concept in your 10th standard. That is why simply I am saying that multiply with 1 plus sin A on both sides. That is to the numerator and denominator. That is 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. So both 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A gets cancelled. The problem remains same. Here 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that is A plus B into A plus B form, that is A plus B into A plus B is A plus B whole square. That is 1 plus sin A whole square by denominator is 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A, that is A minus B into A plus B form, that is A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Then it is 1 square minus sin square A. 1 square is 1, so then sin square A is as it is written. Now, observe the next step. 1 minus sin square A is what? In the previous problem, already you know that cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A or sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. So here 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Replace that 1 minus sin square A by cos square A. Numerator is same. Here numerator and denominator both are having the squares, then you should write on the combined square. That is square root of 1 plus sin A whole square, so by cos square, that is the last step, and you should write it down that in the combined step, then square and root gets cancelled, then remaining is 1 plus sin A by cos A. 1 plus sin A by cos A, that is A plus B by C form, that is A by C plus B by C, that is 1 plus sin A by, that is 1 by cos A and sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A is reciprocal of cos, and sin A by cos A, already you know that tan A. So reciprocal of cos is secant and sin A by cos is tan. This is the required answer. That is the next problem. Very important one. And next problem, show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 equal to tan square A. Here 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. What is LHS here? 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1. And RHS is only tan terms, that is tan square A. So solution, what are the other than trigonometric ratios? 1 minus tan square A, cot square A can be written as 1 by tan square A. So we need to convert this cot into tan because of all functions in the trigonometry, the tan only. So that is 1 minus tan square A by cot square A, that is 1 minus tan square A, numerator is same, and the denominator is cot square A in place of cot is the reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by tan square A minus 1. So assume it as a 1 and take the LCM. Denominator here 1 minus tan square A by 1 by tan square A minus 1, same problem as usual I taken here, 1 by 1 assumed it. So the LCM is tan square A, so denominator is tan square A. Tan square A by tan square A 1 into 1 is 1, and here tan square A by 1 is tan square A, tan square A into 1 is tan square A. That is 1 minus tan square A by 1 minus tan square A by tan square A. This is the denominator of the total fraction and this is the numerator. Okay, next one, convert that denominator is a fraction. So then it convert, if you are converting it, it can be converted into reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 1 minus tan square A by tan square A? So simply you can exchange the numerator and denominator, that is tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. Numerator is 1 minus tan square A and here denominator is 1 minus tan square A, both are gets cancelled. Then remaining is tan square A. Answer is tan square A. This is the required answer. This is the third problem. Okay students, listen to the problems and practice the problems here. These are the problems from exercise 1 onwards. You should practice it. Cos A equal to 4 by 5 and find tan A value. And sin A equal to 1 by 2 and cos B equal to 1 by 2. Then find the values of A plus B, angle A plus angle B. And here sin A equal to 1 by 2. What is the 1 by 2 value? In terms of sin, where is the 1 by 2 value? Then write it on that angle and simplify. And next one, evaluate 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. And next one, show that this is the previous problem. There cosecant and cot has given, and I change it here. secant and tan I taken. Secant theta minus tan theta whole square equal to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Simplify it and show that next in the last problem sin is there, but here I taken cos, that is show that square root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A that equal to cosecant A plus cot A. These are the problems. You should practice it. Okay, thank you students.